Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to continue our discussion on the estimating for multifamily housing. So the first thing we are going to do is by doing a review. So what we are going to find out is the total living area for those units. By using the SumProduct function, we can just multiply the number of units, and the other list is the square footage. That's all you have to do. Next, we're going to look at the common living area. For example, things like electrical closets, stairway, and elevator shafts. So it will be helpful for us to know how many square feet of common living area on each floor out of the total living area. Apparently, that will be the balance of the total minus the unit area within the apartment units. Before we use the SumProduct function, it might be better if we name those unit areas so that we can use them easily in our formula. So let's select on those three numbers and right-click define name, and we're going to say unit area without any space. Now let's do level 1 equals SumProduct number of units on first floor, then multiply by unit area, which we just defined. We can copy this formula down, and we're getting numbers for level 2, level 3, and level 4. At the bottom, we can do a summary. Apparently, this is consistent. Now, to figure out the common area, this is really simple now. All we have to do is to take the total area on each floor minus the total unit area within the apartment units. Just do one formula and then drag it down, do a summary at the bottom. Next, we're going to look at the area for balcony decks, which is really common in apartment buildings. The balcony decks will only be on the upper floor, and the ground floor is getting the patio. Although we could just define the deck area as the name and use it in the formula, we use this opportunity to explain the difference of absolute reference and relative reference. This time we're also going to type SumProduct, the list of apartments on level 2, times the area of the deck. We could just close the bracket and get the number. When we copy this down, the number of units will change, but the area in each unit will not change. What you can do is just put a $sign before each letters and the numbers. Now you can close the bracket. By dragging this down, we're getting the numbers for level 3 and level 4 decks. At the bottom, you can do AutoSum to get the total area. Yeah, for those of you who have trouble with this, you can either define the name or you can do each formula individually. Finally, we will look at an example of interior floor finish calculation. We are going to use vinyl in the bathroom and also the kitchen of those residential units. For bedroom in the units and also the common outside corridor, we are going to use carpet. So what you do is go to the unit plan, do the measurement of vinyl and the carpet. We'll do the summary using the same function we learned, SumProduct. This should be quite easy now. SumProduct, the number of units, times the vinyl. We'll just do this again as additional practice. SumProduct, number of units, then carpet. For carpet in the common area, what do we do is just go to the previous calculation. Now we'll do a summary. The final will just be in the units, and the carpets will be in the units and also the common area from the previous sheet. The parking will just be 20,000. Now let's do a summary for all those numbers. 73,000. This is consistent with our GFA initially. So this concludes the tutorial today. We will do one more video on the multifamily housing. Thank you for your patience. We'll see you next time.